Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about Turtle library in Python. Also, we will draw Windows 11 logo using Turtle library. So, what is Turtle? Turtle is a Python library that enables users to create pictures and shapes by providing them with a virtual canvas. The on-screen pen that you use for drawing is called the Turtle. And this is what gives the library its name. To use Turtle library, we have to first download it. So, let's begin. Open your web browser. Search pip install Turtle. Click on the first link. Click on this button to copy the text. Now, open VS Code. Click on Terminal. New Terminal. Paste the text that you copied earlier. And press Enter. Turtle library will be successfully installed in your computer system. Now, let's use Turtle library to draw a Windows 11 logo. Open VS Code and create a new file. Select language as Python. Now type the following code. Firstly, we need to import module from the Turtle library. Then we will set the speed and the background color. Now we will use penup. Penup is used to move turtle without leaving tracks, whereas pendown is used to move the turtle and leave tracks. We will set the color for filling. And then we will begin the filling. As the shape of Windows logo is a square, we will define the coordinates to form a square. Lastly, we will use goto again to draw the inside region for Windows logo. Once the code is typed, save the file. After saving the file, click on Run the Python code. Windows 11 logo will be drawn on your screen. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Until then, see you guys.